Up and down?
Yeah. Let's get arms across. Deep breath. And out. Keep with the good cracks.
Holy sorry. Ah, I felt that like all the way down. Whoa.
Okay. Deep breath in, out. There. Same thing on this side.
Whoa. Too close to the edge.
Deep breath in and out. There.
Oh yes. I like it. Very nice.
Very nice. And out.
Trust crunch.
Exactly. Signature trust crunch.
Holy! Ah!
Everyone. There.
Frick.
One more.
You're one more.
Your face is one more.
That's right. I know you are, but what am I? Okay.
Praise the Lord.
I like that. Okay.
Oh, that was like the numbing shoots through the.
After this one.
What? You talking shit about my subscaps?
Yeah. Tilt over. Don't do about it, dog.
This way?
Other way.
That way.
That way.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, observer. And I'm gonna get underneath.
What?
Wait.
Sorry, I'm so sweaty. Ah! Mm-hmm.
2, 1. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Right there.
Never lifting again. Ah!
No, she wasn't ready.
Nobody's ever ready.
Damn it! This is not nice. Frickin' seriously? What about a lacrosse ball? I will never look at my phone again, I promise. Ah! I'm just gonna keep going up with you. I hate this.
Good game.
Whew.
Oh, that
We done.